Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So today I am very excited to introduce Auto Email Sending Bot version 2.0. In this video, I'll show you how you can use this bot to automate your email sending process. This bot is going to be very helpful for email marketing, cold emailing, business outreach and many other tasks. So finally, when you get this zip file from me, extract it first into a simple folder and after that, just run this exe file. So this is our bot. Here we have to type our email and 16-digit password. By clicking the above link, you will go to a video where I have explained how to get this password. Type your email and put your 16-digit password here. And you can also specify your port or SMTP server here. Okay. When all these things are done, put your list of emails to which you are going to send your message. I have collected some emails and I have also used my emails here to show you how it will send emails. And now put your subject here and type your message here. And you can also attach some files to send with emails. For example, you can attach the files from here. I am using this file. This file will be sent with the email to every user. And you can send message in two ways, with a plain text or with a HTML format. This is a sample HTML. We can send this HTML and modify it before sending. Let me show you how to import this HTML. Just import it. Its code is loaded here and the email will be sent in this format. And when all these things are done, just click the start button. Okay, it has sent email to first one. It will wait for 5 seconds. You can customize this time frame here anytime. The more seconds you use for delay, the more chances to avoid blocking. And you can count the number of rows here. And I show you how I have received these emails. Here, this was our subject. And this is the template and this is the attachment file. And same as on this email. And on this email, you can see the time here. Okay. So it will keep sending one by one to all of these users. And it will continue sending emails. And to avoid the blockings, it will stop for a while after an hour. And then it will continue itself. And it is also making the sending records. You can export them here. Click export button, specify your output location, select your format and export it. So these are the records. You can use these records later to configure your sending operations. So this is our bot. It's able to send thousands of emails within a day. It will keep sending emails in this way. So if you want to get this bot or have any other questions, you can ask. The contact details are provided in the description. And I am open to custom projects, so reach out if you need specific solutions or any type of web scraping or automation services. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video. Hope to see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.